Here are 3 things that make buyers walk away fast. Issue number 1, bad smells. Nothing is worse than when you go in to go view a home, you're all excited and you're hit with the smell. Cigarette smoke, pet odor, a musty smell instantly turns the buyer off immediately. Issue number 2, poor lighting. Dim lighting, heavy drapes, dark paint makes the rooms feel small and uninviting. Buyers love bright and open spaces, so natural lighting is very important. Number 3, which is the big one, is deferred maintenance and neglect. That means repairs that weren't completed, loose door handle, peeling paint, leaky faucets, dirty carpet are all buyer turnoffs. When buyers see these small items, they view them as a sign of neglect, and if they see these small items, they often think that there's bigger items associated with the home. I find when we do the work ahead of time, our time on the market is a lot less, and we don't have to worry about buyers trying to renegotiate the whole terms of the offer because we've done our work ahead of time. So if you're interested in learning how you can be successful selling your home, give me a call. I would love to chat.